What are the core principles of user research in the public sector? There are several core principles we at CDPS believe in, and one of the key one as the foundation of all user research is be safe and ethical. Some user research is better than no user research, but unsafe user research is worse than anything. So make sure you are safe, make sure you are ethical, you are getting consent, you are considering the people who you're researching with, considering their needs, and considering the needs of your team as well. That's a very crucial part of it. Other elements that prioritise accessibility and inclusivity in your research. Your services are going to be used by everybody in the country, and making sure they're accessible for the people who will struggle to access those services makes it better for everyone. The same way that a small ramp is better than a handful of stairs to get into a building. If the person who has the biggest problems can get into your service, everybody can get into your service. Also, ask why. Being a researcher is an excuse to embrace your inner toddler. Just keep asking why. Why do things work the way they do? Why do people act the way they do? Why do they think this? Why do they have problems with this? Delve into what's causing the underlying issues in services or what's causing the underlying challenges, and then build on from there. Research is also a team sport. Get everybody involved. Not often do you get people who work in an office get a chance to see the people who use their services, and if they do, they will often see a different version of them than they expect. It's good to get them to see their participants, see the real people who use their services and understand their needs. Similarly, it's great to bring other members of your team to apply their expertise to what you're doing. Sometimes if you're having a problem with an online form, taking a developer to look at a research participant use it, they'll go, that's the problem, I can fix that. Or they can spot the issues in a way that you might not as a researcher as well. And it means you build that empathy. People don't often get a chance to see them, and you now get to give them that chance. Also, keep doing ongoing research. No problem's ever fully solved. You may make changes, you make design new services, and that's great. You need to make sure they're okay. And once you think you've learned everything you can, go back, confirm that you got it right, see if the world's changed. Your service doesn't exist in a vacuum. Things may change from that, and that's really important. And also, open up the findings. You never know what other people are doing, what other people need to know. And it's really crucial that you share the information you learn, because that might help another department, another team, another organisation. And similarly, they'll do the same. If you're having a problem with people responding to your letters, you talk to another company, you tell them what you found out, they'll do the same. And you might suddenly realise what it is that's been going wrong. And that's some of the key principles of user research.